Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. We're going to take a look at one of these Smith Corona electronic machines. And I kind of like these machines. They made a whole bunch of series of these H-series machines. This one has got a display and a dictionary. I think a lot of them have dictionaries, but this one has a display and memory over here. But it's got a little problem. I've already checked it out and all of a sudden it started making a buzz, so you can hear it. I know how to fix that. Underneath the covers there's a transformer over here. A couple big long screws hold that in, and that's the problem. In fact, just tapping it here changes the pitch. So we turn this and see it's still buzzing with it off because the transformer's still got power. Okay, let's turn this thing off and take this out of the covers here. Different ways. This one has some screws back here. These are a special little spline driver wrench. Okay, there's a couple screws on the bottom here. Here. Over here. Take this off. There's a cable to the display here we've got to take off. Reach down there and disconnect that, and then this comes right off. Set it here maybe. So the problem is this transformer. Same wrench. These are long screws, and you just need to crank, really turn them until you hear it click. They hear them click. Well, that one didn't click, but it turned. Do the same thing here. Right there. There it goes. I'll give that a little more. Okay. I'm pretty confident that's going to do it. I'm just going to put it back together, because that way we'll know. Seems like it only does it with the case on anyhow, but connect that cable is kind of tricky to get to here. Just got to kind of line it up, I think. I don't think I got it. I think it's out of position. That's it. Oh, that's going to be a little tricky. Okay. And let's go ahead and screw it back together. That way we'll know for sure if it's vibrating. Because it's just a resonance, vibration, electronic vibration from a transformer windings. Common thing that can happen in those things. Just two in the back here. Okay. This guy in. Turn it on. That's it. Quiet. Alright, that's how you fix a Smith Corona H series electronic machine, is make it a little buzzing or a little electronic vibration. Good day.